In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a giant photo manipulation in PS Touch. Alright guys, let's get started. So click right here, click on photo library, and I'll start off with the city background. So I'll click on it, click on add. So here we have it. Then the next thing, of course, is to add our model image. So click right here, we'll click here, click on photo library. So I've already cut this out because I don't want you guys to see me cutting it. So to save some time, I decided to cut it out pretty neatly myself. So well, as you can see, the background image is a bit too off. So what we can do is pretty easy. So make sure the perspective is right. Click on add. So let's go to the background layer. Click right here. Click on this. Click on transform. Click on extra. Click on lock aspect ratio. Then stretch it. Stretch it until it fits better. I think I'm still going to stretch it a bit more. Okay. Click on done. So now let's move the model layer a bit. G transform. So let's move the model layer a bit to the side. I think I'm still going to stretch the background layer a bit further. So click on background. Click right here, transform. Okay. Alright. Click on done. So as you can see, the position of the leg is not at the right place. So we can fix it by clicking on this. Click on warp. So let's drag this down. Okay. And now it's right where it's supposed to be. So I'll click on done. Alright, we are done with the positioning. Now let us do some adjustments. So we click right here, click on the model layer. So we come over here to adjustment, click on curves, and I think I'm going to make this take the side up a bit, take everything down at the side to darken it up. So now let's go to the reds. Of course, I'm going to increase the reds. Let's go to the blue. So I'm going to reduce the blue so we can have yellow. And yeah, I think it looks a bit better. So I'm going to increase the blue at the highlights, at the shadows. Go to red, take it down at the shadows. I think this one is pretty cool enough. Click on done. So this is the before and the after. Now let us add some dodging to this. So to add dodging, click right here, scroll to the top, click on effect paint tool. So click on effect, click on curves. Let's undo this. Click right here and take this part down. Okay, then you click on done. So on your brush size, you can set it to whatever looks free for you. And now you can just brush and add some shadows at the side. You know they're going to be shadows. Okay, think the shoes, of course. Brush here too. So next thing, we want to add some contact shadows. As you can see, it looks as if it's floating. So let's go add contact shadows to it. So to do that, we'll create an empty layer. So you click right here, click here, and then you'll see empty layer. Click on done, take it to the bottom, and now click on brush. Scroll to the top, you see the paint tool. Now I'm going to select a darker color. Let's pick from the background. Okay, send the blend mode to multiply, and you can brush. I think I'll make the brush a bit bigger. Let's undo that. So just brush little, because this one is the contact shadow. We're going to add the cast shadows later. So I think shadows should be here too. And make the brush a bit smaller. Okay, of course this part as well. And now it's time to add the cast shadows. So this is the before and the after. So let us add the cast shadows. To do so, you click right here, create a new layer, click on done. You make the brush size bigger and reduce the flow and the opacity. Done. Change the blend mode to multiply. So you can just draw some cast shadows. Carefully draw some cast shadows. Think right here. Okay, that's it. So this is the before and the after. So this is how easy it is. So what you want to do again is to merge everything. Go to Snapseed, Lightroom, or whatever you like, and add an overall effect to it. But for me, I'm going to stop here. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.